Ta-da! Alright guys, so day 2.
Hi Momshies! Hi everyone! Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you for supporting our family vlogs. So guys, it's day 2 here in Manhattan. So dito banda yung Times Square na konting lakad na lang dyan banda. So guys, ang gagawin namin today, so day 2 namin. Ano gagawin natin, babe? Hindi ko kasi alam siya talaga yung nagpaplano.
We're gonna stop by for Times Square.
Gagawin natin.
One last surprise for her. Yesterday was the edge, today is something else. Yesterday was the edge, today will be the center or the middle. Okay?
And then, after nun, pupunta kami sa Chinatown dito kasi may pinapabilis. Bibili namin si mother ng ng fruits, rambutan. So yun guys, try namin na makapag-video kasi minsan pag nado ka na sa lugar na yun, minsan parang nadadala ka na ng place. Para mas gusto mo na lang magtingin-tingin, alam mo yun, i-feel yung place. So yun guys, try namin mag-vlog, try namin i-video para makita nyo rin. So yeah guys.
Yes, day 2 on the Mother's Day special. 1 p.m. we will be somewhere and she'll know where it is when she sees it, when it happens. I feel like we did a lot yesterday, but today we'll only do like maybe half of what we did yesterday. Or maybe more, you never know. We'll find out. See you guys in a little bit. Slowly, slowly. Watch where you're going. Watch your step. Go to your mama. Go to your mama, baby. Go to your mama, boo.
Hi guys, we're going naka-record. We're going there. Turo mo, babe. Turo mo.
Where are we going?
We're going there.
We just missed it. We just missed it. We just missed it. Now we gotta wait for the next one. And hopefully that doesn't take that long. Alright guys. If you look, we're at the very front of the line. We just missed our ferry by 2 minutes. We literally saw them packing up. And they left us, and now we have to wait for the next one. If you look behind you, there's a long line. This will be my party.
We're going there. 1:35 next, no?
1:30 yata. Pwede ka naman pagbaba mo doon, hindi ka naman babalik agad sa ferry darating. Pwede kang magtumambay lang doon. But yeah, after this, we'll be on Ellis Island. Currently, they're not allowing anyone to like enter the actual statue. No crown views today, but they'll still let us on the island, so that's good. I think once the economy is fully reopened, then they'll allow people to enter the statue again. This is exciting, and this is actually my first time here. Ano?
Pwede ba umakyat din doon?
Oh, papasok ka sa crown. Yung sa crown, dun sa pinakataas.
Oh, pwede. Pero ngayon hindi pwede, di ba?
Ngayon hindi pwede dahil hindi pa fully reopened yung economy.
So nandun lang tayo sa time na pwede na?
Ay okay lang kasi kapag gano'n, mahaba din yung pila sa gano'n.
Ay, gano'n?
Oo. Kaya kailangan i-reserve. Fine. You wanna go home?
No.
See you at the next destination.
See you guys.
See you in a little bit.
So guys, ayan na yung ferry.
Watch your steps, everyone. Stairs in the back.
JJ, are you ready?
Do you like this?
JJ, look at her. JJ.
Yun yung pinaka-famous tourist spot in New York City. Right, babe?
No, I think that's Times Square. But yeah, this is
Second.
another, of course, iconic location. The Statue of Liberty. It's given to us, I believe, by France. This is actually my first time coming here.
Yeah. Of course, me too.
And we'll see what's inside. Maybe get like a souvenir. Get to the front and then take a picture.
Parang dyan tayo kanina lang ah.
Oh,
Hi guys! So finally! We're here in Statue of Liberty. So guys, parang nakikita ko lang kasi siya sa movie, diba? Tapos, nakikita mo siya all the way there.
alright, so that's the Statue of Liberty. Also, I believe we're also going to Ellis Island, and then after that we're going to check out the World Trade Center. See you soon.
Yung parang feeling mo nasa ano ka lang, Manila Bay.
Dali-dali lang nun.
Hindi kita na-record yung pagkababa mo.
Ano?
Pagka-shoot eh. Ang bilis mo, hindi ka nagsabi eh.
Sabi mo,
Oh guys,
to find a bird?
Are you... What happened? Are you tired?
Yeah, because I cannot find a bird. Tell someone how to find a bird.
I think the bird is right here again. Baka, come here, let's go, let's go.
New York folks watch.
Babe, kamusta yung Statue of Liberty?
Okay na okay. Kasi, alam mo yon yung nakita mo siya sa malapitan, tapos napapanood mo lang sa movie.
You wanna get the birdie? Oh, come on, go get it. Go catch it. Just pick it up.
Just pick it up like this. Let's go.
Yeah, pick it up.
Hey, Daddy.
Well, show me. Just touch it. If you touch it, it'll go with you. Say, come here, birdie. I won't hurt you. Come on. Look, they're gonna give it some food. They're giving the squirrel some food.
JJ, come here.
Look. JJ, look. Look. Look, Mama's gonna give it some food. Look.
Oh, it's not scary.
Galing ni Mama.
Ikaw naman, kayo naman ni JJ. Bilis. Ayun na.
Hey,
Yummy rin si JJ daw. Oo. Galing ng squirrel. Oh, here, squirrel. Oh, galing ng squirrel. Tara na.
Ayun na. Oh, sige na.
JJ, look. Ready?
Takot ka parang takot.
Kasi ikaw naabutan mo. Ako naiilang ako abutan.
Isa pa.
Nakalimutan niya ko eh. Nasa long, galing eh. Na-record mo ba yun?
Oo.
That's not a kitty. That's a squirrel. Oh, here, Mama, ito. Look, I got a squirrel right here.
Ang cute naman yung parang sa pinapanood nating The Hobbit, yung mga puno doon sa kayo.
Hey guys, we're at a Chinese restaurant here in Chinatown. Just about to get our grub on and then make our way back home. It has been a long 2 days and we're just hungry. We're just trying to go home.
No, after namin kumain, bibili kami ng mga food, tapos, ayun na, gano'n na kami sa party shop bar.
Yeah, this is Canal Street. We're here in Chinatown. Thank you. And the first thing on... Ta-da. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
好啊，加油！我加油！你兩加油啊！因為大家都唔知我哋收咗個我就呢兩個呢兩個